What's up, YouTube? Doing this video on these coffee makers. Currently at Best Buy. Looking at how these look. I had me some Courage before. Courage really don't last that long, to me anyway. I went through two Courage in like 6 months. But I'm like this Ninja. I'm gonna get one of these. $2.49 for this one. You can blend your ice with it and make you some cappuccinos and lattes. With this one and this one. This one $99. All y'all coffee makers, all y'all coffee drinkers, cappuccino drinkers. You might want to grab you one of these. They're nice. And over here, got some blenders at Best Buy. Looking for a slushy machine. I see a juicer, but I don't see no slushy, no Ninja slushy machines. Gotta get one of those. But until next time, over and out. Leaving Best Buy. Peace.